Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia, and today I am with artist Romeii. We're going to go ahead and take a quick break, and when we get back, we hear more from the man himself, Romeii.
Never lie.
Boy, them jealous, we alone, them think I tell us little ganja make them switch, or them serum, them come a friend up. Chinese brand friendship, fake products, them smile, you know, video, them ear name. Wah wah wah, watch his siren a gun up, lift heavy rifle up, they make me heart cut up. Pain in the heart, no sweet like bulk syrup, fake friend a move square, so we circle can't match up.
Purchase this beat
Remember the one pants now, remember the one shirt, so they keep white like Nasco. Look how you make me heart black like Tanto, you were used to say, bro, can't believe how you dance up.
All right, Romeii. So today we're here on the Portmore Talent Show, and like I always said, this is a platform that not only introduces to Portmore, but this introduces talent to the world. So
Yeah.
first, what's your government name?
Well, my government name is Romeo McDonald. You see, can say Mr. McDonald.
All right, Mr. McDonald.
Yeah,
Right, so
man.
where were you born and where did you grow up?
Well, I was born at Spanish Town Hospital and raised in Gardepen. You see, that a Spain Town, same way. Yeah, man.
Spain Town.
Mm-hmm.
If a talent come from Spain Town,
Never lie, man. Never lie.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man,
So
Spain
which
Town.
school did you attend?
Well, I attend the Ensom City Primary School. Then I go Ascot High School in a Portmore, same way. Yeah, man. No joke.
All right. So Romy, what event showed you that you had this talent?
Well, you don't know, my school, they always did it with me from day one, from the start of music. So, me get whole heap of show over my school. Everything I keep, and me, you see, yeah man, Ascot can tell you, see me, no joke. And then, we do whole heap of road show. Because you don't know, hard on the road, man, hardball settings, man, you know. Yeah, man.
Straight road
All
production.
about, man. Country, Spanish town, town. You know the way there, yeah, man.
All right.
Never lie, man.
Talents have to show, don't?
Mm-hmm.
So you said earlier that you performed at your high school, but apart from your high school, right? You said country and so forth.
Yeah, man, all about, man. Never get no international show still.
Oh.
You see, we never got foreign no perform, but yard, shell down the place, man.
That's in the making. That's
Mm-hmm.
in the making. All right. Apart from singing, right? What
Yeah.
other talents do you have?
We used to play ball, we stopped play ball. You see it.
Just like being an
But
artist.
a artist alone, me really.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And from what age, apart from primary school and high school, from what age you noticed that you could have done more apart from the singing or support?
Well, me never pray nothing more than the singing, you know. Swear. Nothing more than it, more than just the DJing alone. Cause me never really like nothing more than the singing. Me just like the road and the whole experience of music. You see, them way them one.
All right, so would you say it's like a family thing?
No, not really. Not really.
So you're just different from everybody else,
Yeah, man, me different from them, man.
all right?
Yeah, man.
Well, it's good to be different at times. Do you have any recorded songs?
Yeah, man, me have recorded, right? Me have a recorded song with Chucky Boss, same way. Him Loyalty, him a feature me on a song there. Braffy, same way. Him a feature me on a song there again. Then me have one song me drop, I think about a month ago. Name Catalog, produced by J Concept. You see it, and me have some other song I come with Just Bust TV them. You see it, yeah, man.
All right, I heard you said that it's been a long time now since you have been performing in school, on the road, in the streets and so forth. What is it like being out there performing?
Well, out there, me not telling you, like, it's just an overwhelming feeling. We just love the whole experience of the road and everything. When I perform, I just feel different, you know. Yeah, man, no joke.
So that is your space and you feel comfortable
Yeah,
in
man.
that space that you can do
Alright.
anything.
Yeah, man. Feel like a king. Yeah, man, bossy,
the
man.
streets,
No
right,
joke.
so.
Yeah, man.
All right, so how were you received? Being that you have such passion but when you perform and so forth, how were you received by the public?
Well, you see, every time, like, me I work in a street, you see, I'm call this me work, you know. Every time me I work in a street, people them always deal with me like me out there long time. You see, and they always I say, but artist, every time them see me in the street, them say, artist. You see, yeah, man, and that's how me feel. Like artist with you. Because even in my community, if me a walk go shop, there's even one person I figure say, artist, yeah, they with nothing new no job yet. Them way them man.
And
No
that's
joke.
really good in a society like this to know that persons can acknowledge it that way instead
Yeah,
of
man.
anywhere else. That's really good.
Artist, the thing them man.
Right, that's all. Alright, so in this music industry, right, what have you learned that you'd like to share with the general public, let's say young people?
Well, me can learn in this music, you know. Me learn say, you know, for all for yourself, you know. Cause it's all about the team, and you don't know teamwork make a dreamwork. You see it, so you can't for yourself. You have to really do it for you and you everybody around you. Well, you say everybody, cause everybody now go eat at the end of the day, but you don't know. You have to do it for you don't know.
With yourself.
Yeah, man. For you.
Alright, so you're basically saying for young people out there, them can't be too selfish.
Alright.
And whatever
You
they're
see.
doing, them have to do it for
Yeah, man,
themselves.
your mind focus like a camera.
Right?
You see it, mind have to focus, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So let's say that in your downtime, right? Times when probably nothing really go on or you really can't put two and two together. How do you stay positive?
You don't know, you know. As me and my artist did there all enough time. Me and my artist named Jockey Bar, see me. Him and my friend them, in my downtime, me see. You see, we just go and write some music, see me, I know say at the end of the day, one of them day, a food of eat.
Right?
You know, no joke.
Like a group of friends that actually sound like a group that will always push you.
Yeah, man, a Iraqi family forever, man. Fully Iraqi, man, out here.
Fully
You know,
Iraqi.
yeah, man. One Iraqi, man.
Like that one Iraqi. fully
Never lie,
Iraqi.
man.
Alright. We have come to the end of this interview segment. We're gonna take a quick break and we're also gonna look at the songs regarding catalog and loyalty. So stay tuned, live performance.
Concept.
I mean, I say your concept, we gotta give them a concept, you know. Murder. You gonna know. Systematic in a jeans, in a wallaby, double park on the street with the Benz on the Jeep. Say she want for me, the girl from me, see the nice if it is. Sorry, baby, me heart weak. Out of jokes, money jokes, girl, gun on me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little dog. Bless me, half, me the millions of it from the road with the full back that can't hold the money where we are. Money jokes, girl, gun on me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little dog. Bless me, half, me the millions of it from me every day. They brings me dog, me okay, making millions. Me dollars no fluctuate, them punctuate with gamma money. And my favorite gamma richer than Barack Obama. So me never left the hammer, girl, them just a swing banana. Was it a scholar future bright, that be bent for a flasher. Yo, me dog, remember when me never had no mattress. No, me start cash, me no chat, millions, me got that. Mama smile, she see her son, money greater than WhatsApp. Elevate the team, the era, she could never drop back. Really like the chain, with ice, the rose, the rest, the girl with silicone for a star. Body a designer type, me money enough. Me have a girl in a me Jeep, I do a style. Ganja split for make sure she go on, so I'll say the tribe. Put the NSA price, and just a pretty sacrifice. Amount of fight, amount of style, amount of try. Fit them my points, amount of try me try, nevertheless, we have to rise. I know the Benz, a button start, and button press, me get all of yours. Money jokes, girl, gun, and me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little god. Bless me, half, me the millions of it from the road with the full back that can't hold the money where we are. Money jokes, girl, gun, and me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little god. Bless me, half, me the millions of it from me every day. They brings me dog, me okay, making millions. Make millions, jump on the gun, money on a piggy bank. And me a born a rock civilian, rock and brilliant, money I'm a religion. Have you bought them a travel like minivan, millions. Me make a loan to a fisherman, cause the water connect from Poland. Chips are coming from the banana boatland. Hey, smuggle this and stack the chips, so what that's why we live so rich. Me suits for school, me not got me skiller than Saturday movie. Rich time Mr. Bezos, 7 zeros, make up a profit. I step on my wrist and freezing AC, cool like it's a fix. I'm a dog, them they have to frost have something with it. Start out, make it dark, say nobody know for this. From Spain town, live up and nothing we can fix. The juvenile, them they are ready for your soul and so live. Wicked in heart, them and we not know to give. We just to make the money move, but we doing this and a kid. So the boy them just a pray and just know what we feel live. Remember me gun them, they are no fire, we have no time to give. Money jokes, girl, gun and me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little god. Bless me, yeah, me the millions of it from the road with the full back that can't hold the money where we have. Money jokes, girl, gun and me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little god. Bless me, yeah, me the millions of it from me every day. They brings me dog, me out here making millions. Money jokes, girl, gun and me catalog. And they say we have to mix that with a little god. Bless me, yeah, me the millions of it from the road with the full back that can't hold the money where we have.